RCB4 count algorithm for pseudo-random generation. I is equal to I plus 1 mod 256. J is equal to J plus Si mod 256. Swap Si and Sj. K is equal to Si plus Hj mod 256. R is equal to Sk. Why WP is not secure? Authentication, access control, replay, prevention, message modification, detection, message privacy key protection. Authentication basic requirements, robust method of proving identity that cannot be spoofed, method of preserving identity over subsequent transaction, method of preserving identity over subsequent transaction, mutual authentication, authentication keys independent from encryption and other key. Access control IEEE 802.11 does not define how access control is implemented. Replay protection MAC address does not exist. Message modification detection IP headers ICV is a linear method. Message privacy IV reuse birthday paradox IV collision RCB4 weak keys fast few keys direct key attacked. IV is public appended true key. One can assume the first few plain text. A reference figure text real 802.11 security Wi-Fi protected access and 802.11 odd I John Edney William A. Arpak. Thank you. Comments quotient. Cryptography and network security. Course teacher Mrs. Zahana Akhtar, Associate Professor, Department of CSE, DIU. Computer security, the protection afforded to an automated information system in order to attain the applicable objective of preserving the integrity and confidentiality of information. System resource includes hardware, software, firmware, information data and telecommunication. Background. Information security requirements have changed in recent times. traditionally provided by physical and administrative mechanism. Computer use automated tools to protect file and others stored information. Use of network and communication links requires measures to protect data during transmission. What is cryptography? What is cryptography? Cryptography is a method of protecting information and communication through the use of codes, so that only those for whom the information is intended can read and process it. In computer science, cryptography refers to secure information and communication techniques derived from mathematical concept and a set of rule-based calculation called algorithm to transform messages in ways that are hard to decipher. These deterministic algorithms are used for cryptographic key generation, digital signing verification to protect data privacy, web BRO browsing on the internet, and confidential communication such as credit card transaction and email. Some basic terminology. Plaintext original message, ciphertext coded message, cipher algorithm for transformation plaintext to ciphertext. Key info used in cipher know only to sender receiver. In cipher encrypt converting plain text to ciphertext. Cryptography study to encryption principal method. Cryptology study principal method of determining cryptology field of both cryptography and cryptanalyst. Various data security. Data security is the means of ensuring that the data is kept safe from concept on this except. Computer security. The objective of computer security including protection of information and property from theft, corruption or natural disaster while allowing the information and property to remain accessible and productive to its intended users.